Congratulations nga pala kay Alex Ayala for winning her round of 64 match against Elena Gabriela Rosei sa Cincinnati Open. Because of that, Alex advanced to the round of 32 where she will play an Amanda Anisimova, which will be a blockbuster match, power against patience. Although the victory of Alex against Rosei was a walkover due to injury, it was a lopsided match, 6-1, 3-0. Muntik na maging 4-0 sa second set dahil si Alex ay leading 30-love on her serve when the match was halted due to thunderstorms. Anyway, how dominant or how did Alex dominate against Rosei in that match? Here is my analysis. Unang-una mga kabayan, Alex was able to successfully return the first serves of Rosei, and she was not only able to successfully return the serves, but she returned the serves deep into the baseline. Kaya nawala sa strike zone niya si Rosei and she was not able to get short balls. And with Alex sending those returns in strategic locations, Rosei was scrambling on her ground strokes, and eventually she committed a lot of unforced errors, and eventually also she committed 2 double faults. Next, Alex was very patient in extending the rallies, making Rosei hit extra shots, which resulted to her scrambling from side to side and making weak shots, which Alex just pounded into the edge of the lines with her forehand for automatic winners. And finally, Alex once again proved that she might be the best returner in women's game right now. So, with Alex pounding on the second serves of Rosei, Alex was able to get a lot of break points. In fact, she was a perfect 5 out of 5 on her break point chances, di ba? Ganun nakagaling si Alex pagdating sa return game. And what else did Alex Ayala do to dominate the match? She stayed patient. Hindi siya nawalan ng concentration. She kept moving, she kept hitting shots with the momentum on her side. And finally, Alex was able to commit 0 double faults and just 3 unforced errors. Yan yung sinasabi natin sa ating pre-match analysis, yung video na na-post ko before the game of Alex and Elena Rosei. That was the final point that we pointed out, that Alex should really minimize her unforced errors and avoid double faults, and she successfully did that in her match against Rosei. So congratulations to Alex. She will move on to the round of 32 to play against Amanda Anisimova. Gagawan din natin yan ng video ng analysis bago sila maglaban kung ano nga ba magiging tactical game ni Alex against Anisimova. Alam ko na kung anong dapat kong sabihin dahil alam ko ang laro ni Anisimova, especially when she lost that Wimbledon final 6-love against Swiatek last year, and then again lost to Aryna Sabalenka in the final of the US Open. So let's see, wait for it guys. Congrats to Alex once again and good luck in that match against Anisimova.